Hello crypto lovers, you're welcome back to the channel once again. So there's actually a new task on Zenea Wallet that we are told to do, and this task is just basically three things you are supposed to do, and it's very important for those of you that are mining Zenea Wallet. So first of all, they say that we should go and perform these three tasks, which is we have to connect our wallet to Ubusuna directly from the Xenea wallet. And after connecting your wallet, then you are going to request for a text token. And then after requesting for a text token, they are going to be performing a kind of transaction. All right, like you transact the token to someone and the person is going to transact that same token to you. That is how you test the effectiveness of this wallet. All right, now they are bringing out this new initiative, just like over protocol that we did some few months back, that requested for this transaction to test the wallet before it finally went live. Now this is what the Xenea wallet is also doing, that we are gonna be doing. So if you're not in the group, you have to join the group so that you can also be transferring this testnet to some of the members of the group, because this might be some of the requirement that you have to pass through before you can receive your token. So if you're watching this video for the first time, kindly ensure you do everything that was in this video. And if you are new in this channel, ensure that you join the Telegram group to stay updated on when the listing of this project is gonna be taken through. It's gonna be happening. All right, and ensure you like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification so that whenever I'm dropping the next videos, you'll always be notified on time. So let's get started. So you click on the link, click on this link here, and it will direct you to their Discord channel where you can go and request for the faucet. All right, so I'll be dropping the link at the video description. Go and click on it, and then it's going to take you to your Discord. Now what you have to do now is, you can see here, just go ahead and click on this, go to server, and then it's going to take you right here in the server. Now you see this done reading checkout hash Ubusuna testnet. You just come here and click on this. Okay, and then this is the testnet page. You can see this is the testnet page. All right, so 10 TXENE are gonna be sent to your wallet. All right, so what you have to do now is to just paste your wallet address right here. As soon as you paste that your wallet address right here, this 10 TXENE is going to be sent to that wallet for you that you're going to be using to be making the transactions. All right, good. If you're currently using MetaMask, you're going to be adding these network details right here, right in your MetaMask. All right, we're going to be adding this. Then this is the network name, Xenea Ubusuna, and then this is the arrow PC, and then this is the chain ID and the currency symbol that we're gonna be using. These details here is what we are gonna be using. So you just minimize and go and open your MetaMask wallet. You can also use Trust Wallet to do this task. This is MetaMask. In order for you to add the token right here on MetaMask, I mean the Xenea contract address, just click right here where you have this, you tap on it, and then afterwards you click on where you have this network right here, tap on it, and afterwards you just come down to where you have this add network, tap on it, and then it will take you right here. Good. Now you are now made to add all of those details right here. The network name, you go and copy it and paste here. You go and copy the ROPC also that I showed you and paste here. You now head over to, you also paste your ROPC name, chain symbol, and after pasting all of that, this is gonna be highlighted for you to just tap on it. All right, good. All right, you can see it has been highlighted now, right? You can see it has been highlighted now. Good. Now in this part, this ROPC name, you can just write Ubusuna. Okay, just write Ubusuna right here and go ahead and paste. Click on this save button. Okay, and then it will be added automatically. You can see was successfully added right there. Okay, so now if you click on, if you just scroll right here in the list of chains, added chains, you can see Ubusuna has been added. All right, good. Now if you go back, you can start interacting with the chains. Okay, now if you want to see the chain, if the chain has been added, just click right here. If you want to see the list of chains that has been added to MetaMask, just click right here. Okay, in case you import any chain on MetaMask and you want to enable it, just click you can search here. You can search Ubusuna. Okay, now in case you search there and it doesn't appear, another way to locate the imported network is just to click right here where you have these tokens. Click on this. As soon as you click on it, just wait for it to load, and then you go ahead and click on this right here. Then it will take you to this section right here. Go ahead and click on custom network. Then if you scroll down, you can see this is the token that we imported. You can see it sitting right here. All right, you can see it sitting right there. So if you tap on it and click on it again, you can click right here to copy your address, or in case you want to send the token to someone, you can click right here. All right, so for us to copy the address, just click right here. Okay, you tap on receive, then you come down here and click on this copy address. All right, good. So we have copied the address. So now let's go over to Discord and go and perform the remaining task. So we are now on Discord right here. How you know that you are inside the particular testnet, Ubusuna testnet section, you just click. You can see this, you can see it right here, it is showing. All right, what you have to do is just come here and paste that address right here. Okay, in case you've forgotten the testnet, or you are trying to find the particular testnet section on Discord, you can't find it, just go back to the at the video description and go and access the link back to the Discord server. I'll be dropping the links, all the links right at the video description. Just go ahead and choose them. Go ahead and click them one after the other and perform these tasks. It's very necessary you do this. Okay, so now after copying your address from MetaMask, like I said, you now come down here and paste that address right here. Okay, you paste that address right here to collect your own share of the 10 TXEM. All right, so paste it. And kindly ensure that while you're doing this, your network is very stable. Okay, your network is very stable. You paste it right here. Pasted it. Now just go ahead and click on send button. You can see mine had just been, I have sent it. That's why you can see this. In less than a few seconds, the testnet will be sent to my wallet for the transactions. You just have to wait for a little while, and then afterwards you now head back to your MetaMask, and then you will see the testnet sitting right there on your MetaMask. Then you can now start using it and transferring to anybody, any of your friend that is doing also farming the Xenea wallet. So this is the task that we are expected to do. So just wait for it for a little while. I want to see this message. Kindly ensure that you see this message that 10 TXENE is heading to your wallet. As soon as you see this message, then know that yours is heading to your wallet as well. So you have to make sure you see that message before leaving the Discord page. All right. Now, whenever you are typing this, you are pasting this Faucet link. It's always very important to write this. Right. You make this exclamation mark, then write Faucet. Then you come down a little just at the bottom and paste your address. All right. So you just make an exclamation mark. You write Faucet. You write Faucet, then just scroll down and then paste that address right here. Okay, you paste that address right here. All right, and then you can see here or the second option that I even advise you to do is just to click right here on Xenea and import the token automatically here on Xenea. So what you have to do to import here on Xenea is just click right here, this import token, you click on it, and then you click on custom token right here, and still it will load up this. Okay, then you now go and start. So to import that token directly on Zenea Wallet using the same details that we used on MetaMask, just click open the Xenea app and then click right here. After clicking there, you come down to where you have this add network. Then you click right here in this section here. You click on it and then you fill in all those same informations right here. Okay, you fill them one after the other, and then afterwards here is gonna be highlighted. Just go ahead and add it. I hope this is clear enough. So this is going to show after adding all of those informations. Just go ahead and click on confirm, and then it had network added. You can see network added. So just go ahead and click on switch network. All right, as soon as you click on switch network, this is the network that you have just successfully added. So just go ahead and click on this arrow, and then now you can now start transacting with it. What you have to do now for you to receive any coin or your test token, click on receive. You copy the address. This is the address that you're gonna be copying. All right, after copying this address, now let's head back to our Discord server. Just head back to your Discord server, and then you can see use the link, that Xenea link I pasted. Just you can use it to access the Discord server, the Testnet Discord server. Okay, this is the Testnet Discord server. Now what you have to do now is to come here and paste it right here. Okay, now what you have to do is click right here, send the bot, enable the bot. As soon as you enable the bot, it's going to just go ahead and paste that link right here. Okay, but before you paste the link, ensure you write exclamation mark, then Faucet, then you give a little gap down and paste the link. Okay, and then you now come down here and paste send it. All right, Now I have just sent it. In less than 10 seconds, the faucet is going to be deposited in my Zenea wallet. I can now go and access it from there. Now you can see this message, right? Now this is my username to show you that the text will be sent. Now this is gonna be sent to my wallet. Now you can see this message. And once you see this message, after pasting, following the steps that I have just explained here, 10 TXEN is gonna be sent to your wallet. Alright. So now let's head back to our wallet and go and check. Good. So congratulations. This is a 10 TXEN that has been sent to my Xenea wallet. So guys, this is how to perform the task. Alright, you can access it right here. You can see it right here now. This is it. So if you have any other question or there is any other thing you don't understand, kindly let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to join the group so that you can interact this test token with other people in the group so that you don't get disqualified in this airdrop. Don't waste time in doing this, and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.